I'll film after you get your video.
Okay. This is the elevator at Enlighten MD is what it's called. Oh, this is beautiful. I bet some old stores in Dallas that are now demolished look like this inside those elevators. I'm sure what some old Sanger Harris stores had this kind of cab, I'm guessing.
"5332 Forest Lane" is the name of the building, actually.
Just, well, look at this side. Now I'm gonna go up and down again because there's people on top. I'll go up and down again. I'll get off at one, and then you can get your take. Let's switch sides.
Yeah, sure. I'll go and get a picture of these pictures.
Okay. Hit parking. Well, I'm gonna get off and then you get your take.
Sure, I will.
This is a beautiful elevator. Just look at how elegant this is. Have fun.
Get some pictures of this, and I'll go into my video.
Look at that button here. And that's it.